Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Well, I have another unboxing. Yes. My husband called me again and told me, you need to hurry up and get home because you got a package. And I'm like, man, what kind of package? He said, just come home and see. So, if you want to see what's inside this package, please continue to watch. I'm so sorry about this noise. It is the air. It is hot in this room, especially with the lights. It is even hotter. So I still hope you all can hear me, because I can't cut this air off. It is hot. Okay, let's go ahead on with this unboxing. Okay, we are back. You all remember from the other video, I told you our anniversary was coming up, and my husband said, what did I want? And I told him fragrances. So he told me to write down 10 fragrances that I really wanted. And out of the 10, he would get me 4. Well, I got another package. Yes. So we're going to have to open this box and see what this package is. Because he's not telling anything. He has said, come home, you got a package. So, this is the box. And we are going to open it and see what it is, okay? Hey. And this is what it looks like. Let's see what's in it. The house of Oud, girl. The house of Oud. I can't believe it. Now this was the last thing I thought he was gonna get me, was a fragrance from them. I just put it on the list just to put it on there, just to see what happened. Okay, the first thing we're gonna open is this, and this is samples and a spray. Let's see what this is. And this spray is Almond Harmony. Smells good. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 samples. I have Wind Heat. This is what it looks like. I have Wanderer. Look at that bottle, y'all. Great Pearl. Look at that bottle. Breath of Infinity. Breath of Infinity. Blessing Salad. Dates Delight. And the last one is Empathy. I can't wait to try these samples out, child, so I can get me another one. I always wanted an egg. Okay. Okay. And this is what it looks like. And it says the House of Oud, 75 milliliter EDP, 2.5 full ounce. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait, Yeah, I can't wait. I always wanted an egg. Always. Beautiful packaging. Simply beautiful. It up now. Wow. Look at it, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Take it out. Look, y'all. Just look. And it says, this is gold, and it says the House of Oud. Oh, what's the name of this one? This is Almond Harmony. So this is just like the sample. That's good. So with the sample, I can take this traveler, I can take this with me when I go somewhere. Oh. Let me spray it anyway. Oh. My first impression, I definitely smell the almonds, because that's the first thing you smell when you spray. And it kind of smell like almond extract. You know, like when you're making a cake or making whatever, and you use the almond extract. Smells so good, y'all. Wow. Now it's drying down. I smell jasmine. Iris. Vanilla. I mean, it's not overly sweet. It's getting creamier now. So I guess with the almonds and that vanilla is making it creamy. You barely can smell the musk, but you know you got musk in it. And it does have oud in it, but it's very light. So you would like this fragrance. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so in love. Oh, I'm so happy. I can't believe it. I finally got an egg. Look, y'all. I got an egg. Beautiful. What else can I say? Okay. Listen, let me go ahead on and rate this. Like I said, if you all want an in-depth video about this fragrance, comment in the bottom section of this video and I will do it. So just off the first impression, this is the first time I ever smelled it. All I ever did was see it And I always wanted an egg. I didn't care what kind of egg, I just wanted the packaging. Because I never, tried any of their fragrance before. And I never had any samples or anything, so I didn't know how it smelled. But my husband did good. I mean, now I wonder, I'm gonna have to find out. Now how he getting these fragrances? I know I put a list of what I wanted, but still, who talking him into these fragrances? That's what I want to know. How he know? I'm so appreciative. I'm very appreciative. Anyway, on a scale from 1 to 5, the presentation, the bottle, a 5. Yes, it's exactly a 5. And then you see, it just comes up like that, like it's a magnet or something in here. Love it, love it. The juice inside this fragrance, I have to give it a 5. This is gorgeous, y'all. This is gorgeous. The presentation of this fragrance with the box and everything, I give it a 4. The spray on this bottle, I give it a 4. Yeah, the overall number for this fragrance, I give it a 4. And like I said, this is just my first impression. But once I start wearing it, I might come back and do a video about it, or else I might just go in the description and let you know how it was. And also, I might just get on Instagram and tell you all about it on Instagram. So make sure you all are subscribed to my Instagram, okay? My name on Instagram is Cassandra J 8478, okay? I am so happy. I'm over the moon happy. Wow. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Bye.